Hey y'all, we're back. Making a little progress here. Got the other patch finished and scuffed the back side of both of them after we clean off all the magic marker and stuff. What we're doing here is we put the tape on the back side. Anytime you come across the side where you can squeeze it, you're going to stretch that tape, manipulate it a bit. You see as it's starting to turn here, you're squeezing it down here. See, a little pressure on everything. We just really got the back side of it on, and then we went ahead and glued the hot glued the paint stick on there. Put some masking tape down first because you can bust that stick right off of there when you're tearing it apart, and then peel the tape off, and you don't have anything stuck to your part. We did it right on top of this rib for a reason. It's good and strong front to back, right? If we were to get out into this void here, you can hear, this stuff is real flimsy. It would have been a little more flexible. See right here, it's pretty stout. It's pretty stout there. So what we're going to do is finish taping this off. And actually, when you see here how that tape is kind of billowing in a little bit. Once you get in there and with your wiper and you wipe the filler in, it's going to push that back out. And then laying glass in with your brush and stuff, it's going to billow out a little bit, and it'll give us a little bit of body work and to sand down. So far, so good. Everything seems to be working out okay. Just wanted to bring you the stick process and why we put it on the way we did instead of being more centered, just because we wanted to stay on top of that rib, which makes this a little more stiff, which makes keeping that wall of tape straight much, much easier. So moving on, we're going to get her all put together.